The variable my_list is initially assigned a list of integers. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements, and using the set function on a list automatically removes any duplicate elements. Remember that this method may not preserve the original order of the elements in the list. Using sets is a concise and efficient way to remove duplicates from a list, but it may not preserve the original order of the elements. If maintaining the order is important, then use for loop. Using a loop. You can iterate through the list and add elements to a new list only if they have not been added before.